Okay, this is our grade 8 mathematics lesson. This is our discussion part A. Find the slope of a line given 2 points. Our target here is to determine the value of the slope of a line. Okay, ito yung ating given 2 points. Number 1, negative 3, 5, and second point, 3, 5. Okay, we're going to answer given number 1. This formula, we are going to use this formula. This is what we call as the slope of a line formula. In the form of m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay. Sagutan natin ang given number 1. Given number 1, negative 3, 5, and the second point, 3, 5. Okay, we're going to locate the values. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1. We have y sub 2. This is our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. The second point. Again, x sub 1, y sub 1 is our first point. Second point, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, applying the formula, we have m equals y sub 2 is 5 minus y sub 1 is 5. Then, x sub 2, that is 3, minus x sub 1 is negative 3. Okay, m equals 5 minus 5 is 0. 3, negative times negative 3 is plus, or positive 3, will become m equals 0 over 3 plus 3 is 6. Therefore, m equals 0 divided 6 is 0. Therefore, the slope of a line given 2 points in number 1 is 0. Okay, next, given number 2. Given number 2, we have negative 3, 2, and 0, 4. Okay, now, applying again the formula, m equals y sub 2. We're going to write first the values. This is our x sub 1, y sub 1, first point. X sub 2, y sub 2, second point. Okay, applying the formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Y sub 2 is 4. Y sub 2 okay, that is equal to y sub 2 is 4 minus y sub 1 is 2. Then x sub 2, that is 0 minus, that is negative 3 or plus 3 automatic. We have m equals 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. Therefore, the slope of the line or of a line is slope equals 2/3. Okay, now, since we have the given slope in number 1, the slope here is 0. In number 2, the slope is 2/3. Please answer this given number 3. Comment your answer and provide it to the comment section of this video. Okay, now this is our part B discussion in grade 8 mathematics lesson. Part B, our topic is find the slope of a line given its equation. Kung mapapansin natin, ang given naman natin ay equations or equation of the line, kukunin natin ang slope. Okay, now what are we going to do? Okay, first, we will use this formula in the form of y equals mx plus b. And this is our slope. Y equals mx plus b is what we call as slope and y-intercept form. Okay, now we're going to answer 3 given. Okay, number 1, 16 plus 4y equals x. We're going to follow the format of our formula, y equals mx plus b, to get the slope. Okay, this is 4y equals, we're going to copy the x, then transpose 16 to right side, although we all know the additive inverse, but to make it short, we're going to transpose to other side. 16 or positive 16 will become negative 16. Then divide both sides by 4, the numerical coefficient of y, both sides. Then y equals negative x over 4 minus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Our slope here is negative 1/4. Okay, therefore, our answer here, the slope of the given equation is negative 1/4. Okay, next, let's proceed to given number 2. Okay, we're going to erase given number 1. Again, the slope in given number 1 is negative 1/4. Okay, next, proceed to given number 2. The given is x plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Okay, given number 2. X plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Again, we're going to follow the formula. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, copy 2y. Then transpose to other side, negative x. Positive x will become negative x. Then negative 6, the constant term will become positive 6. Then divide both sides by the numerical coefficient 2. This is 1. Y equals negative 1/2 or negative x over 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then our slope here, since single variable which is x, understood that we have the one numerical coefficient there. Therefore, that will become negative 1/2. The slope of this equation of the line is negative 1/2. Okay, now please answer given number 3. Write your answer to the comment section of this video.